It's very cold. Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Nick, where I help you get out of your boredom and relate to many stuffs. This is your girl Swikriti Gupta. Today I'm very excited. Today I'm going to answer to some of your assumptions and questions about me, and this is going to be the first ever Q&A on my channel. So I'm so excited to answer all that you have to ask for me, about me or stuff like that. कुछ भी स्टार्ट करने से पहले चले जाते हैं शाउट आउट्स की तरफ, लेकिन ड्यू टू एग्जाम्स आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू आस्क एनी क्विज राइट नाउ फॉर 1 month टिल दिस मंथ February. तो इसलिए द बेस्ट कमेंट विल गेट अ शाउट आउट. सो लास्ट वीक द बेस्ट कमेंट गेट्स अ शाउट आउट. Congratulations to win the shout outs. If you want to win the shout out as well, make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment down below each one of my video to get a shout out. Yay, it's so simple. All the best. All your questions are with me in this phone. I took this phone from daddy because I had to shoot in the other phone, which is mine. So I have so many questions. I've received so many questions and I'm so excited to answer these. I'm super excited, super nervous what the answers are going to be, but hoping it all gets great. Let's go! I have all the questions over here and I'm going to answer to all of them. And also a huge thank you to all of you for filling my notification center with all the questions you had. भर चुका है, इतने क्वेश्चन स्टिकर्स आज तक कभी नहीं मिले मुझे, आई स्वेयर. सो इवन इट्स लाइक कि एक ही इंसान ने 5-6 बार क्वेश्चन भेजे हैं अलग अलग करके. सो व्हाटएवर इट इज यू वांट दिस वीडियो टू बी लॉन्ग और यू वांट or you had thousands of assumptions and questions to be asked. I don't know what the reason is, but I'm going to answer to each and every one of them. I'm so excited. Also, most of these people I know who they are, but I'm going to pretend as I don't know anyone, okay? Anyways, let's get into it. First question is by Gurman Grover. Your favorite YouTube channel? Okay, so my favorite YouTube channel is mostly say Aksh Bagla, Sanam, yeah. Also Team Naj. So yeah, these 4 are my most favorite YouTube channels. I love watching videos from these channels. It really makes me feel so good. Second question by Gurman Grover. Your favorite coffee shop, CCD or Starbucks? घर की coffee. Yeah, there's no question rising about it. Okay, but what is CCD? I actually am not too good at these, branded shop names. I'm not good at it at all. What is CCD? Please let me know in the comment section below. Also, Starbucks का नाम मैंने सुना है obviously, but I haven't ever visited a Starbucks shop, so I don't know how the coffee over there tastes. But yes, कॉफी की बात आए तो cold coffee from my hands and hot coffee from my mom's hand. There is nothing which can actually match that level. Okay. Next question is again by Gurman Grover. Your favorite teacher, excluding your mom? Okay, my favorite teacher, I guess everybody is so good. But I think chemistry miss and Hindi miss. Yeah. Zada Nigam. Your favorite dialogue from any of your video? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I don't remember any dialogue from my video. Wait. I think one of the dialogue from honest Diwali celebration, the auntie one. I think I don't remember any video dialogue. Okay, I think the dialogue went like आप आ गई मेरे घर पे and आपके परिवार वाले नहीं आए, वो शायद ज्यादा समझदार है, या फिर ऐसा कुछ था. So I think that dialogue. Next question by Shahzada Nigam is please sing few lines from तारों के शहर. Okay. लोग हमसे जलते हैं इस बात पे, क्यों इतनी ज्यादा खूबसूरत लगते हैं हम साथ में। लोग हमसे जलते हैं इस बात पे, क्यों इतने ज्यादा खूबसूरत लगते हैं हम साथ में। जो भी इश्क में होते हैं दीवानी से, खुशी नहीं देखी जाती मोहब्बत के जमाने से। मुझे पता है ओ जानम, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए तो खुद मर जाएगी, जानी ना मरने देगी। हाँ चले तुम्हें तारों के शहर में, धरती पे दुनिया हमें प्यार न करने देगी। Okay, I sang this song after like a very long time, so please excuse all my mistakes. Next question is by Army Yashu. I think your name isn't appearing full, but I don't want to mess up with your name, so yeah. Your views on previous school Carmel versus your views on the current one. I think I don't need to explain anything about it, because everything which I feel about Carmel is very much clear on my face and my behavior. Everybody in my current school knows how much I miss Carmel. Carmel is a home, which I used to prefer even before my house. Carmel is a family, a 10-year family, and spending 10 years with a particular family isn't less amount of time for sure. So since nursery till class 7, whatever I have learned, be it manners, English, how to talk, decency, whatever you can see in me today is all because of Carmel, and everything is just because of Carmel. Talking about my recent school, which is DPS, Delhi Public School, it's okay, it's okay. But since it's a co-ed school, everybody who knows me on a personal level knows I'm not that okay with boys, and I'm trying to actually settle, but will take time, okay? So I'm not complaining about it. It's all happening for a good reason, because in future I have to actually I have to interact with boys. So maybe the start is here. So, but nothing can come even close to Carmel, okay? So do not compare. Okay, next is by Princess. Again, the name isn't full, so I don't want to mess up with the name. Who inspired you to start the YouTube channel? I guess lockdown, first reason. Mostly say the second reason, okay? I had a YouTube channel, obviously, and a fun fact over here, okay? I would love to share this with you guys. When we had the lockdown started in April, May, June, I always used to think about YouTube, because I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos at that time. You have to, you had to actually, spend time. So I used to spend my time watching YouTube videos, and then I discovered Mostly Sin. Actually, I knew that a person named Prajakta Kohli has a YouTube channel which is big enough, but I still never used to watch it. And that was the time in the lockdown when I started watching her videos, and then I used to always make up a story in my mind, thinking that if it was for me, I would have never been a YouTuber. Never. This is the least thing which I could have chosen, but I did. Lockdown had been such a roller coaster thing. You started the lockdown with a thought and you ended up with something completely different. Same for me. I started I used to think कि मैं कुछ भी कर लूँगी लेकिन YouTube नहीं करना. But I'm so glad I started YouTube. I'm so happy. I love it, but it is a bit stressful, अभी जब exams आ रहे हैं मेरे finals, I will be off YouTube for quite some time. But overall, I'm so glad I started YouTube. I'm not at all regretting it, and I think I should have started it a way more earlier. But I had a YouTube channel before, which is the music one, 3 years old, my baby. So I have that channel. Starting a comedy channel like this, when I'm speaking with you, because in that one I sing. So here that I'm speaking with you, so I'm not regret. So Mostly Sin is who who has inspired me. Okay, Sanaholic, how do you manage YouTube and padhai? YouTube is time taking and needs a good lot of attention for sure. बीच में काफी सारे दिन ऐसे थे when I had to write the story of this, like write the script, shoot it and edit it. तब मुझे September, October, November, December, January, so it's 4 months now. तब मुझे ऐसा लगा in the first time in these 4 months that I cannot, and that starting Crazy Nick was a bad option. I used to think this. At least twice I have thought about it, that starting YouTube was a bad choice, but you have to manage, I shoot at night, and now that you can see that I'm making a question answer video, which I would have made a way later, maybe after hitting quite some number in subscribers list. But now that I have hit 1K on Instagram, I can do this thing, and people did send a lot of questions and I'm happy. But yes, in the form of YouTube, I think I shoot at night, and now I'm going to shoot a bit more lifestyle videos which don't need a lot of scripting and editing, because the type of comedy videos I make, it needs a lot of scripting and editing, and shooting goes like this. You can shoot the video in 2 hours, and you have to edit it. You have to sit back and edit it for 2 whole days. You have to write the story for 1 whole day. I think I'm not going to get into that right now. For 1 month, I'm going to actually focus more on things which don't scripting and editing for a long time, like this one. So yeah, have to manage, because I love YouTube and studies to karna hoga, not having an option. Yeah. Next question is again by Zanaholic. Song request Ache Bhai Kichu Kichu Kotha by Arijit Singh and Kaushik. So I am translating. She says that she has a song request. She wants me to sing Kichu Kichu Kotha, which I haven't heard even a single time, and I'm not even kidding. So let me search it fast. Kichu Kotha lyrics. Okay, listen. If you know me personally, you know I'm not a Bengali singer or a Bengali music lover. I never have heard a Bengali song, except for Rabindra Sangeet. Rabindra Sangeet I haven't heard, or I haven't attempted any Bengali, movie songs, Tollywood songs. কিছু কিছু কথা বসে আছে ভিজে, মিচি মিচি ব্যথা হয় নিজে নিজে, ঝড়ে যাওয়া পাতা জুড়ে বসে ডালে, মেঘে মেঘে কথা শুনি সে আড়ালে. It's written in Bengali. I hardly know how to read Bengali. But anyways, if you know, I don't sing Bengali, and this is obviously a song which is really famous. So I have heard it, but I have heard it somewhat 5 to 10 years ago, and that too by singers who used to, who sing live on stage. And जब singers stage पे live होते हैं, that they put so many more renditions in the song and make it their own and change it completely. So I have maybe heard a version which is completely changed and sang according to that singer. So maybe I don't know the real singer, and maybe you can feel that I'm not singing the way it is sang. So I'm sorry. Okay. Shia's Faith. You make romantic fake scenes in your mind. What? See, romantic fake scenes का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन I am a huge overthinker, तो मैं overthink बहुत ज़्यादा करती हूँ. Not about any romantic fake scenes in my mind, but I do have fake scenes which show or make me feel. I overthink that I am on a stage performing in front of 1 million people listening to only me. Okay, this is some. Second, I get a chance to meet Billie Eilish and all those who are my favorite people. This is one of the fake scenes which I always create. Thirdly, I get to work in a show with my favorite people. That is another fake scene. So yeah, I create fake scenes like this, which is kind of my sapna, my dream to achieve. Okay, so next question by she asked Faith is, you sing when you are nervous? I sing when I am whatever. Okay, so I mean to say that even if I'm happy, I have a song to sing. Even if I'm sad, I have a song to sing. I am nervous, I don't think I sing when I'm nervous. But when I'm angry, I have a song to sing. When I am frustrated, I have a song to sing. I have songs to calm me down at any moment, whatever the situation has to provide. So I don't actually remember singing when I'm nervous, but since I always keep singing, so I think I may have. Misnaming love again. Tea or coffee? Coffee for sure. Extrovert or introvert? Ambivert, I guess. Extrovert to all the girls out there and introvert for all the boys out there. Carmel school or present school? Of course, Carmel school. There isn't a single question coming in between. Shoaib is love. Rohit is your new crush. New crush? ये अफवाह कौन फैला रहा है यहाँ? हाँ नहीं, no. What do you overthink so much? I mean, okay, speaking about crush, Billie Eilish is my crush. Yes, she is the only thing I actually think about. But Rohit Saraf is my favorite actor, a beautiful human being indeed. A person I would love meeting with. I think I would love meeting him in person because I have met him virtually. So yeah. But yes, Billie Eilish is a crush. Make sure, guys, you know this. Okay. Shoaib ki secret lover. Okay. You failed in school? No. Hopefully not. What's wrong with me? Okay, hopefully not till now. Don't want to ever in life. Please make sure after your question, I do not fail. Okay, my exams are starting from 5th. Pray for me. Fantastiasco. I love this name because I pronounced it for the first ever time today. Okay. Ato bhalo golar awaj kothay peli India wants to know. I'll translate this for you. She means to say, from where did you find such a beautiful voice? India wants to know. भगवान से पूछो, मुझे कैसे पता होगा? क्या तुम भी? Saheli 16. You are a topper. This is an assumption. Okay, so I got quite some assumptions. This is one assumption, that you failed in school was an assumption. Rohit is your new crush was an assumption. You sing when you are nervous is an assumption. Okay, I got so many assumptions and I considered all of them as a question. I'm so sorry. But you are a topper? No, I am not a topper. I want to be one. Vroom, vroom, vroom. So here it is, me, Swikriti Gupta, answering to all your assumptions and questions, and I'm sure you got to know me a lot more better than usual. I'm proud of you, Swikriti. You did a great interview today. Let's not consider this as a question answer. Let us consider this as an interview. Okay. But anyways, these questions are so good. Like many times I receive, weird questions which do not even make sense. And things, whenever I put a question sticker on Instagram, it's always like TBH or rate or 1 upon 10 or a picture or a song, dedicate me a song, yeah, whatnot. Everybody is fed up of that TBH thing, right? I am as well. But seeing that not a single TBH coming up this time, I'm so happy indeed. All these questions are so good, and I'm sure this made you guys know me much more better, and it also got me know myself much more better. Thank you so much for sending in all the questions, and next time I'll plan a question answer and assumption thing for YouTube, because not everybody is on Instagram. Okay. So if you think if you have any assumption or a question about me, you can put that down in the question. What am I saying? If you have any assumption or questions that you want to ask me, make sure you put that down in the comment section, because my YouTube family, whatever you want to say, friends, I want to know what they think about me. So please put it down in the comment section, and please use the hashtag Sawal Swiki. Okay, please put a hashtag Sawal Swiki. I had to think about it for a long time, because I will use Sawal Swiki on my computer, in the search, and then only those comments which has the hashtag Sawal Swiki will come up. So please make sure you use hashtag Sawal Swiki so that your question comes up the next time I'm planning for a question answer or assumption thing. Exam season, guys, I wish you all the best. Please rock your exams, come up with flying colors, which is something which every teacher says you, but this time I'm also saying. So please make sure you like, comment, share this with everyone, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's hit a milestone this time. Maybe that's going to make me way more happier. Okay guys, thank you so much. I'll try to be as active as possible this whole month, because my exams are going to be over on 22nd. So after that I'm going to be full-fledgedly devoting my own self to both my channels. Make sure you check out the other channel, and I'm so in love with you guys. Okay, so bye, be uniquely crazy.